ンポンパンポーン始まるよ
Let's go! さあ、行くぞ
Start off by chopping up an onion, then slice up a nice big carrot boy. Make sure they're nice and thin. Alrighty, once you pop those over to the side, we can chop up all of our potatoes. Make sure they're in largish chunks because these boys will just melt away otherwise. And then once you got all of your potatoes ready, you can pop them over to the side as well. And then grabbing your second chopping board, grab your chicken meat. Buff that skin
しばらくお待ちくだ
like
さ
the
い
absolute barbarian you are. And then just choppity chop into big old chunky boys. Chop them into bite-sized pieces because we don't want them too chunky, if you know what I mean. Pop them boys in a bowl and let's head over to the flame. In a big old pot, let's pop in all of our onions. There's probably about a tablespoon of oil in there as well, but never mind. And then next goes in all the carrots. I'm gonna brown and soften those boys up too. In goes your meat. Make sure that chicken knows who's boss. And after a bit of a swishty swish, let's add in some
そ
salt
の
and
調子
pepper.
その調子
And then in go the potatoes. Try not to overfill it. Maybe that's enough. Alrighty, give them a good old mixity mixty. With that, we're going to add in our canned white sauce, which looks awful now that I look at it like this. But never mind, tastes good. If you can find this specifically in your country, that's fine, but it's essentially cream of mushroom. Give everybody a good old stir together. In goes a couple of stock cubes and a good old mixity mix. Now lastly, we're going to add in all of our spices. 2 teaspoons of cumin, garam masala and coriander. And then give everybody a nice mixity mix together. Dunsky runsky, let's plate up. In a big bowl of rice, let's add a whole bunch of turmeric and then just mix it up to make some turmeric rice. I'm sure the title says that this is white rice, however, ours turned out, I think, a little bit yellow, perhaps,
その
mainly
調
due
子
to
そ
the
の調
carrots.
子
But never mind, it's still not brown, so we're halfway there. Add on some parsley on top of your rice and
やるじゃ
done!
ないか
よくできました
What a
すごい
close-up,
すごい
ladies and gentlemen.
いただきます
So a couple of things to keep in mind when you are making this. 1, do not put in any turmeric into the actual curry. You need to keep that nice and white as possible. And 2, if you want to get this perfectly white, you might want to leave out those carrots right until the end. Other than that, you should be fine. We practically do this every day, so leave us a like, a subscribe, and maybe a comment, and we'll see you tomorrow.
また明日